What is included with your Microlife Watch Office ABI? 2 medium-sized cuffs, 2 large-sized cuffs, 1 ankle cuff, power cable, instruction manual, ABI device, quick guide, PC cable and the cuff size indicator. To download your software, go to zonemedical.com.au and navigate to the Downloads tab. Download the Microlife WatchBP software. Once downloaded, unzip the file and run the program. Follow the on-screen setup wizard and launch your software. Push the cuff connector into the cuff sockets. Make sure that the cuffs on the patient's limbs match the left and right sockets on the machine. Plug in your serial port connection cable. Turn on the device by using the switch that is located behind the machine. The Microlife has an internal battery which lasts up to 400 to 500 measurement cycles. As well as being able to be powered by auxiliary power, this is also how you charge the device. Select the correct cuff size for your patient. Use the cuff size indicator to assist with this. Ensure that the patient is lying down and place the cuff 2 to 3 centimeters above the ankle. Make sure that the artery mark is on the posterior tibial artery. Since the Microlife Watch Office measures ABI bilaterally, the cuff must be placed on the opposite side limb. In our case we have used the right ankle and left arm. To fit the cuff properly on the arm, ensure that the cuff is 2 to 3 centimeters above the elbow. To successfully use the Microlife software, you first need to make a new patient. This is done by clicking the New button up in the top right. A pop-up window will appear. You will need to enter the patient's ID and details. Also, you will need to enter the physician's ID and their details. The patient will now appear under the Patient section. You are ready to click the Measure button on the left-hand side. Another pop-up window will appear. Select the limbs that the patient has the cuffs attached to. The number of measurements can be adjusted via the drop-down menu within this window. Once these adjustments have been made, click the Measure button. The WatchBP will start a countdown and then begin the test. A blue flash will appear on the device's screen. This indicates that the test is complete. You can view your test by clicking on the left. This will give you the limbs that were tested as well as systolic, diastolic and heart rate. If necessary, you can test multiple limbs multiple times and then exclude the results you do not want to appear on the report. To generate the report, click the Report tab. Under this section you can edit the doctor's details and add a logo if needed. To create the report, click the Generate PDF Report button down the bottom. In the report you can see the results for each limb, as well as the pulse waveform. The Microlife Watch Office ABI device complies with Medicare rebate number 11610 as the device measures bilaterally and displays assessment of arterial waveforms on the report. You can then save, print, email this document. The Microlife Watch Office BP can also be used as a standard blood pressure machine with single cuff if needed.